Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the like. Today I am gonna show you how to remove action blocked on Instagram after you follow a lot of people like that. Hello. So as you can see here, this message that is action blocked. So to solve this problem, what you're gonna do is click OK. Then you go to your profile and go to setting and click setting and then go to help. When you go to help here, you will go to report a problem. Then it will give you these three options. You will click on the last option, that is report a problem, like that. It will give you this message. Please only leave feedback. What are you gonna write here? Is you will write dear Instagram, you temporarily blocked my account. Please solve this problem. Then as you can see here, this add icon, you will click on it and you will click add from gallery. And I already screen this message, okay? This message that is action blocked, you will screen it and click on it and you will click submit. And turn on check. Click log out your account. Log out your account. Then you will go to parameter or of your phone and go to application. Then go to manage applications. And go to Instagram. Then go to storage and click clear data. And click clear all data. Your account, log in, then your account is good. I'm gonna, for example, write okay. Now I'm gonna follow. No problem is here, okay? So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like. Thank you and see you in another video.